the Great Pyramids of Giza. Majestic and timeless, they rise from the desert sands, capturing the imagination of all who behold them. These colossal structures have captivated humanity for millennia. Their sheer size and grandeur are a testament to the incredible vision and determination of the ancient Egyptians. They stand as testaments to a civilization's ingenuity, a civilization that flourished along the Nile River thousands of years ago. The Nile was the lifeblood of ancient Egypt, providing sustenance and a means of transport for the massive stones used in construction. How did they do it? How did a civilization without modern technology erect such massive monuments? The methods and tools they used remain a subject of fascination and debate among historians and archaeologists. These questions continue to intrigue us, fueling our imagination and challenging our understanding of the past. Each stone, each hieroglyph, tells a story of a time long gone but never forgotten. The pyramids were more than just tombs. They were the final resting places of pharaohs, designed to ensure their safe passage to the afterlife. They were symbols of power, expressions of religious beliefs, and testaments to the pharaoh's quest for immortality. The intricate carvings and elaborate designs reflect the deep spiritual and cultural significance of these monuments. Their construction was a feat of engineering and logistics requiring the combined effort of thousands over decades. The organization and planning involved were nothing short of extraordinary. They continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the boundless capabilities of human ingenuity and the enduring mysteries that lie buried in the sands of time. The pyramids stand as a bridge between the ancient and modern worlds, a testament to the enduring legacy of human achievement. The sheer size and scale of the Great Pyramids are difficult to comprehend. These ancient structures have stood the test of time, towering over the desert landscape for millennia. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. This monumental achievement is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the ancient Egyptians. Imagine a building taller than the Eiffel Tower, constructed entirely of stone, and you begin to grasp the magnitude of this accomplishment. The precision and scale of this construction project are mind-boggling, even by today's standards. The Great Pyramid alone consists of an estimated 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. These blocks were meticulously cut and placed to form the pyramid's perfect shape. Some blocks, like those used in the internal chambers, weigh up to 80 tons. The logistics of moving and positioning these massive stones remain a subject of fascination and study. These massive stones were quarried miles away, transported across the desert, and then lifted to astonishing heights with astonishing precision. The methods used for this Herculean task are still debated among historians and engineers. How was this even possible? The question lingers, inviting us to explore the mysteries of ancient engineering and human perseverance. It's a question that continues to baffle and inspire. The Great Pyramids stand as a testament to human ambition, creativity, and the enduring quest to achieve the impossible. It's a common misconception that the pyramids were built by slaves. While forced labor was certainly a factor in ancient Egyptian society, evidence suggests that the construction of the pyramids was largely the work of skilled laborers. These were not slaves toiling under the lash, but rather paid workers who took pride in their craft. These skilled artisans, architects, and engineers worked in teams using copper tools, ropes, rollers, and ingenious techniques to move and lift the massive stone blocks. Their knowledge of geometry, astronomy, and logistics was astounding for their time. They were masters of their craft, and the pyramids stand as a testament to their skill and dedication. One of the most enduring theories about pyramid construction is the ramp theory. This theory posits that the Egyptians built massive ramps of earth, brick, and timber to move the stone blocks up to the construction site. As the pyramid grew taller, so too did the ramp, eventually reaching an incline that would have been challenging, to say the least. The ramp theory has several variations, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some propose a single straight ramp, while others suggest a series of switchback ramps or a spiral ramp encircling the pyramid. Each variation presents its own set of logistical challenges, leading some to question the feasibility of this method. Section 5. Variations on a theme, zigzag and spiral ramps. Proponents of the ramp theory have put forth various iterations to address the challenges of a single straight ramp. One variation suggests a system of zigzag ramps, reducing the incline but requiring more construction material and complex maneuvering. Another proposes a spiral ramp encircling the pyramid, offering a more gradual incline but potentially obstructing access to the pyramid's faces. While these variations attempt to address some of the limitations of the ramp theory, they each introduce new complexities. The sheer volume of material required for such ramps, coupled with the logistical challenges of maneuvering massive blocks up such inclines, continues to fuel debate among researchers. Section 6. The Water Theory, Harnessing the Nile's Power. The Nile River, the lifeblood of ancient Egypt, plays a central role in another intriguing theory, the water theory. This theory delves into the ingenious ways the ancient Egyptians might have utilized their natural resources to achieve the seemingly impossible. This theory suggests that the Egyptians used a sophisticated system of canals, locks, and levees to transport the heavy stone blocks. These waterways would have been meticulously engineered to handle the immense weight and size of the stones. By raising and lowering water levels, they could have floated the stones close to the pyramid's base. This method would have significantly reduced the labor required to move these colossal blocks overland. Proponents of the water theory point to evidence of canals and water-related infrastructure near the pyramids. These remnants suggest a highly advanced understanding of hydraulic engineering. They argue that the Egyptians, masters of water management, would have recognized the potential of the Nile for this monumental task. Their expertise in irrigation and flood control would have been crucial in executing such a grand plan. However, skeptics question the feasibility of maneuvering such massive blocks with the precision required for pyramid construction. They point out the logistical challenges and the potential limitations of the technology available at the time. Despite these doubts, the water theory remains a fascinating possibility in the quest to understand how the pyramids were built. Section 7. Lost Technologies. Echoes of Advanced Knowledge. The precision and complexity of the pyramids have led some to speculate about the existence of lost technologies in ancient Egypt. Could the Egyptians have possessed advanced knowledge of engineering, mathematics, or even machinery that has been lost to time? Some point to the pyramid's alignment with the cardinal points, the precise cutting and placement of the stones, and the use of massive granite blocks, some weighing over 50 tons, as evidence of advanced capabilities. They argue that conventional explanations fail to fully account for the sophistication of these structures. Section 8. Alien Architects, the Extraterrestrial Hypothesis. Perhaps the most controversial theory surrounding the pyramids is the idea of extraterrestrial intervention. While lacking concrete evidence, this theory proposes that beings from other worlds visited ancient Egypt and aided in the construction of the pyramids. Proponents often point to the seeming impossibility of such a feat with the technology we believe the ancient Egyptians possessed. While the alien intervention theory captures the imagination and fuels countless science fiction stories, it is important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. Extraordinary claims, as the saying goes, require extraordinary evidence. Section 9. The Great Pyramid, an astronomical observatory. The Great Pyramid's alignment with the cardinal points with remarkable accuracy has led some to propose that it served as an astronomical observatory. Its internal passages and chambers may have been designed to track celestial movements, aligning with specific stars or constellations at certain times of the year. This theory suggests that the Egyptians possessed a deep understanding of astronomy and incorporated this knowledge into the pyramid's design. The precise alignment and the potential astronomical significance of the Great Pyramid structure continue to intrigue researchers and fuel speculation. Section 10. Echoes of the Past, Unraveling the Mystery. The enduring mystery of the pyramids is part of their allure. Despite centuries of study and speculation, no single theory definitively explains how these monumental structures were built. Each theory has its own strengths and weaknesses, leaving us with more questions than answers. The pyramids stand as a testament to the ingenuity, determination, and organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians. They challenge us to expand our understanding of the past and appreciate the accomplishments of a civilization that thrived thousands of years ago. Section 11, Conclusion, a testament to human ingenuity. The Great Pyramids of Giza are more than just ancient tombs. They are enduring symbols of human ingenuity, ambition, and the enduring power of mystery. They remind us that we are capable of achieving extraordinary things when we work together towards a common goal. As we continue to study these enigmatic structures, we are reminded that the past is a foreign country, full of wonders and mysteries yet to be unraveled. The Great Pyramids stand as a challenge to our understanding, inviting us to ponder the possibilities and to marvel at the accomplishments of those who came before us.